Okay, this is take 125. I call her Spot. I call her Spot because she gets in my spot. Doesn't take her long. She does this 4 or 5 times a day at least. And we go through this little routine. I'm surprised she hasn't moved. Generally, if I start coming out here, she'll get in her spot. Excuse me. Excuse me. You're in my spot. You're in my spot. Yeah, well, you're supposed to be in your spot. You know where your spot is. Yeah. It's not playtime. No, it's not playtime. It's spot time. Plus, I'm trying to eat a little bit. So it's eating time, and I needed to get in my spot. So I appreciate it. Thank you.